बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का आप लोगों का वीडियो लेक्चर है पार्ट 2 फॉर द प्रोग्रामिंग फंडामेंटल्स स्विच स्टेटमेंट। तो प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने स्विच स्टेटमेंट का इंट्रोडक्शन लिया था। लेट्स क्विकली गो टू द आउटलाइंस जो लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने पढ़ी थी। वी स्टडीड द स्विच केस, फ्लो चार्ट ऑफ अ स्विच केस. We studied how to create a menu, what a menu is, the syntax of the switch statement, an example of the switch case, if we wanted to use the switch case or not, कौन से ऐसे areas थे जहाँ पे switch case is more feasible than the conventional if-else structure. उसके बाद the uses of switch case and a summary. So let's go to the uses of the switch case. Why do we use a switch case over the traditional nested if-else? Because it's easier to add new cases to a switch case than a nested if-else structure. और उसके बाद it's more easier for the program to read and for the users to read. उसके बाद we use a break statement at the end of each case. So the switch case gets terminated after the desired output is found. Okay, so हमने ये देखा था कि switch, how does it differ from the traditional if-else structure? हम traditional if-else structure and the nested if-else इस तरह यूज करते हैं कि अगर हमने चेक करना, we use it for multiple areas. For example, multiple logical areas जिनमें आ जाते हैं a certain number is greater than that number, it's not equal to that number, if it's the modulus of that number, remainder, even number, odd number, whatever, ये सब हम if-else structure से cover कर लेते हैं. But the switch statement is different from the if-else nested structure because it's only implicit. The implicit Boolean condition in a switch statement is equality. So अगर हमने equality check करनी है, then we use the switch case, and it's mostly used for the menus. Okay, so let's do a practical example. Let's do the day example. We looked at the day example. It's checking according to the numbers and printing the days of the week. Let's do a day example and then let's create a menu. So everybody open your Visual Studio Code. Okay, it's opening. So you guys see हमने last video में calculator app किया था, which is also just like the switch statement. It's using the if statements, which are also catering the choices. If it's 1, do this. If it's 3, do this. 4, we made a small menu for 1 press, for adding press 1, for subtracting press 2, for min number means the smallest number, between two numbers press 3, and for the max number press 4. So this is also an example for a menu. तो आज हम यही काम करेंगे. We're going to create menus and we're going to do some practical examples. We can do the calculator on the switch, but we already covered that, so we're going to create a new program. Let's do the days of the week program. Okay, so create a new file and save as switch and a C++ file. Okay, so we all know the drill, hash include iostream, then the closing. What iostream is, we all know. Then again I'll give you a revision. iostream is the input output stream library जो हमारे input and output के functions को identify करती है. It tells the computer that what they are. इस library में वो functions होते हैं और वो call होते हैं with the based on those functions हम input लेते हैं या output लेते हैं. We're going to use the using namespace standard. in our program. उसके बाद let's write the main program and the body of the main. So this is what we need in every program so it can run. Okay, what we want to do, we are going to make an integer, declare an integer called choice, and let's declare the choice equal to 0 at the start. Okay, so what our program is supposed to do, let's comment here. Write a program that takes input from the user. Based on that choice, sorry I forgot to put the comments, navigates to the desired part of that program. Okay, so we basically need to make a menu here. Okay, so let's see out welcome to switch. Okay, then I'm going to end this line with the end else statement. Okay, after this we're going to make a small menu with the instructions okay. Press 1 for days of the week. Okay, let's copy paste this one. Press 2 for months of the year. So we're basically making a program that takes an input from the user, and based on that input from 1 to 7 for the days of the week and 1 to 12 for the months of the year, and based on that input it's going to tell that this is the specific month. For example, the 6th month is June. It's the 6th month of the year is June, so when a user enters 6, then with the switch statement the program is going to tell that the 6th month of the year is June. And if I type 6 for the days of the week part of the program, it's going to say the 6th day of the week is Saturday. Okay, so let's start coding. That's 1 4 days of the week plus 2 4. Okay, so let's add our switch statement. So in Visual Studio Code it's going to do everything for you, but it's a good practice that you type this yourself. In the expression part I'm going to write choice. Okay, and for the first case, which is 1, I'm going to see out the first day. Actually, we want our program to be more dynamic, so instead of the first day, I want my program to output 1. So for that, what I have to do is I have to concatenate this with choice. So यहाँ पे आपको नजर आ रहा है कि the program is going to see out the space and उसके बाद choice, जो भी choice के अंदर होगा. तो choice के अंदर अगर 1 है, the 1 day, after that space day of the week is Monday, and so right now we're working on the days of the week switch, and before this we're going to do a simple if-else statement. पहले हम complete करते हैं अपना program complete करते हैं for the days of the week. So this choice is for the days of the week, and let's make another choice, int choice 0 is equal to 0. ये वाली choice होगी for either one of these. Okay, let's copy paste these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'm just going to type 1 for this. उसके बाद month वाला you guys कोशिश करें कि आप खुद कर लें. Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so अगर make sure आप लोग के cases की indentation ठीक हो. Okay, what's this? Okay, 1 पे ये होगा, 2 पे Tuesday होगा, 3 पे Wednesday होगा, 4, 5 पे Friday, 6 and 7. और इसके अलावा अगर कोई भी आउटपुट हमारे यूजर ने दी, तो we're going to say cout invalid input. Control C. Okay, so हम अपना प्रोग्राम टेस्ट करते हैं, पर before any of this is going to work हमने cin करता है from the user. We're going to take input from the user. Cin choice. Oops, मैंने इधर क्या मिस्टेक की थी? Somebody probably detected it. मैंने उसको string की तरह declare कर रहा था, जबकि this is an integer. Cin choice. Okay, control save. We do an ender. Okay, let's run this program. Abhi, what's going to happen is हम इसको टेस्ट कर रहे हैं right now, so ignore this part. इसको हम बाद में cater करते हैं. Let's start our program like from here. Okay, there was an error. Remove this, remove the ender, control save, or up. Let me run the code. Let's see if it's working. Okay, good, it's working. So यहाँ पे मैंने क्या input देनी है? Remember, we're testing the switch statement for the days of the week. So if I type 6, my expected output should be Saturday. Yes, the 6th day of the week is Saturday. Okay, this is working. Let's test this one more time. Okay, 1 should be Monday, 2 should be Tuesday. The 2nd day of the week is Tuesday. Okay, this is good to go. Our statement is working. This area of our code is working perfectly. अब हमने क्या करना है? इससे पहले भी हमने एक menu बनाना है. So I want to change this to choice 0. जब choice 0 हो जाए, based on choice 0, let's do an if statement. If choice 0 is equal to 1. जब यूजर ने 1 प्रेस करना है तो it should go to the part of the program that tells the days of the week. So यहाँ तक इस पूरे switch statement को इस if statement के अंदर मैंने ऐड कर दिया. So जब यूजर choice 1 करेगा तो फिर ये वाली switch चलेगी. Before that I'm going to see out. Okay, right now हम क्या करना चाहते हैं? We want to remove this from the screen. तो उसके लिए हमें एक और library देखनी है, which is the standard input library. Hash include standard library.h. Okay, तो control save. हम इधर आने से पहले we're going to, before we see out this, we're going to do system cls. Okay, system, the function for system, and cls, this is used for clear screen. अब हम इसको system cls यूज करेंगे तो हमारे कंसोल पे जो भी previous हमने see out किया होगा वो clear हो जाएगा. So we don't want this menu anymore. हमने इसको clear कर दिया. उसके बाद मैंने see out कराया welcome to the days of the week program. उसके बाद let's end the line. Okay, after that let me copy paste this. No, we're not going to copy paste that. See out, please enter any day of the week in number. And endl, we missed this. Control save. Okay, उसके बाद I want to see in choice, ताकि इस choice, इस expression की कोई input मुझे मिल जाए. इस choice 0 की input मैंने ले ली from the user to check if 1 है तो फिर days of the week वाला program चले. फिर inside this I want to clear the screen, side screen clear हो जाए. उसके बाद welcome to the days of the week program output हो, please enter any day of the week. उसके बाद based on this output input हमारी ये switch चले. Okay, तो let's do one more thing. Let's do an else below this, else for this if. इस if की else इसलिए ताकि 1 के अलावा कुछ भी प्रेस करे तो cout invalid input. Okay, so let's start to test our program. Control A. Let's check the output for all of this. Run code. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Welcome to the days of it started from here. Welcome to switch. Press 1 for days of the week. Press 2 for months of the year. So let's press 2. Invalid input. That's correct. क्योंकि हमने 2 की choice को cater नहीं किया. Right now we're just working on 1. Okay. Up. Let me clear the screen. Run this again. Okay, 1 because we want to go to the days of the week. So बाद screen clear होगी. Welcome to the days of the week program. Please enter any day of the week in numbers. So if I press 5, it should output Friday. Okay, that means हमारा program perfect work कर रहा है. So that's it for this. अब इसके अलावा इसके बाद आप लोगों ने क्या करना है? else से पहले आपने इस else से पहले आपने एक else if लगानी है. Else if जिसमें choice 0 be checked for 2 as well. Okay, तो उसके अंदर आप लोगों ने यही वाला स्विच कॉपी पेस्ट करना है और इससे पहले आपने चॉइस को सीन करना है और यही क्लियर स्क्रीन करनी है आप लोगों ने. For choice 2 before the switch. Okay, और days of the week program की जगह आप लोगों ने months of the year convert करना है. And I want you guys to convert all of this program to months of the year. तो you guys should have this program with you guys. ये आप लोग कर सकते हैं. जब user 2 enter करे, he should be navigated to the months of the year part of the program. This is your menu. उसके बाद this is your switch statement checking for the months of the year. पहले it was checking for the months of the days of the week. Now it's checking for the months of the year. So I want you guys to change this program to months of the year. Just आपने day की जगह month लिखना है और Monday की जगह January, February, March, April, May. This is no rocket science. You guys should be able to do it. So I'm signing out right now. Take care, you guys. अगर कोई भी चीज़ you guys want to ask me, please comment in the Edmodo part below, the comment parts below this video, or you can direct message me. Feel free to direct message me, not on my number, on the Edmodo platform. So see you guys. Stay tuned for the next lectures. Allah Hafiz.